Citizen Hennebert was a political opponent, but he certainly had my respect, and my wife and I were delighted to accept his invitation. Well, he voted to spare the king. Such men are traitors to the revolution. He was a traitor to the revolution. I should get a medal.
I still can't make this one out. The glass won't break. Odd. Go ahead, choose. Quit bothering me.
Pal of mine saw a body just lying right out in the street. Blood and everything. Up in a Marais. Jean-Paul Marat has been murdered in his home, 1 block from the Hotel Cluny. Revolutionaries tend not to have long lifespans, if you ask me. Body's been found in the catacombs. Careful, it's easy to get lost down there. I'd give you a map to find your way, but no such thing exists. If you fancy yourself some fine leather, you can visit the tannery in Bièvre. You might be a little surprised by the secret ingredient in their chemicals. Body's been found in the catacombs. Careful, it's easy to get lost down there. I'd give you a map to find your way, but no such thing exists.